Welcome to Ask and Learn.
Hello students, in this question, a coil is rotating in a magnetic field at an angle theta is equal to 60 degree and it has produced an average EMF of 0.15 volt and it consists of 3 loops whose radius of the coil is given as 0.50 meter and the magnetic field strength is 70 millitesla. So we have to find how much time did it take to complete one full rotation. So the time we have to calculate. For this, we have the formula, that is EMF E is equal to, or it can be capital E, NBA omega into sine theta, where N is the number of windings, that is the number of coil winded, and B is the magnetic field strength, A is the area of the single loop of the coil, and omega is the angular frequency, and theta is the angle it is made between the field and the normal surface, normal to the surface. And from this, on rearranging the equation, we can find out the angular frequency. Therefore, E divided by NBA sine theta. So on substituting the values, that is E is given as 0.15 volt divided by N is the number of coil and it is the magnetic field strength is 17 millitesla and the area of the coil is equal to pi r squared. Therefore, it is 3.14 into radius is 0.50 meter square. Therefore, on calculating this, we will be getting 0.785 meter square. So, substituting this here, it is 0.785 meter square into theta. We have to put it in radians. Therefore, sine pi by 3. Since it is theta equal to 60, when it is converted to radian, it will be equal to 30. That is pi by 3. Therefore, now on computing these numerical values, we will be getting 0.15 volt divided by 7.32641 into 10 power minus 4. Therefore, the angular frequency will be omega is equal to 204.7 radian per second. Now, the time can be calculated, that is the formula time is equal to theta by omega. So, theta is pi by 3. Everything we have to substitute in radians since angular frequency is in radian per second. So, on calculating this, we will be getting T is equal to 5.12 milliseconds. That is, this coil is taking a time of 5.12 milliseconds to complete one rotation. Hope you find this video useful. Thank you.